The best and worst SUVs of all time. Today we're exposing the SUVs that either drain your wallet with constant repairs or sail past 200,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. Now let's get into our definitive ranking of the 3 least and 4 most reliable SUVs of all time. The 3 least reliable SUVs. Number 3, Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander earns our number 3 spot on the least reliable list. While recent models show signs of improvement, their historical track record is filled with costly problems that have left owners stranded and frustrated. The trouble began with the 2003 and 2004 models suffering from transmission failures, engine troubles, and electrical system faults. By 2007, owners faced cracked coil springs and prematurely worn brakes, while the 2014 to 2018 models continued this tradition with CVT transmissions that would suddenly start whining, jerking, or completely failing. Perhaps most concerning was the 2017 year model with reports of electrical fire risks and engines that would simply stall without warning. Nothing destroys confidence in a vehicle faster than wondering if it might catch fire or shut down in traffic. Consumer Reports has noted these issues, and while Mitsubishi has shown improvement with their newest models, particularly the 2024 Outlander PHEV, the brand's historical reliability issues make older Outlanders a risky purchase. Want to avoid making a $3,000 mistake on your next SUV purchase? Hit subscribe now so you don't miss our upcoming video on what to look for when buying a used SUV. Number 2, Jeep Patriot. Moving up our list of SUVs to avoid, the Jeep Patriot takes our number 2 spot. Sharing a platform with another problematic model we'll discuss shortly, the Patriot developed a reputation for leaving owners stranded and mechanics shaking their heads. The 2008 model year stands out as particularly troublesome, plagued by sunroof leaks and transmission failures that left owners facing repair bills that often exceeded the vehicle's value. By 2011, engine troubles became prominent, particularly with the crankshaft position sensor that would fail without warning, causing sudden stalling on busy highways. The 2012 Patriot continued with its notoriously unreliable CVT transmission. These units frequently overheated and developed acceleration issues, often leading to complete failures requiring replacements costing up to $4,000. Perhaps most alarming was the 2015 year model, which combined stalling engines with poor crash test ratings. Consumer Reports consistently rated the Jeep Patriot as mediocre for reliability, and mechanics often cite it as one of the most profitable vehicles for their shops, which is never a good sign for owners. Number 1, Jeep Compass. Taking the dubious honor of least reliable SUV of all time is the Jeep Compass. From its introduction in 2007, this model has been plagued by consistent and serious reliability issues across multiple generations. The 2007 year model burst onto the scene with suspension system failures, electrical malfunctions, and issues with the total integrated power module, a critical component that controls virtually all electrical functions in the vehicle. The 2008 Compass carried over these suspension issues and added engine stalling problems, while the 2012 year model brought grinding brakes, water leaks, and expensive CVT transmission problems, costing nearly $4,000 to repair. Most alarming were the 2017 and 2018 models, which continued to suffer from engine stalling and electrical problems despite being part of a newer generation. Some models were associated with airbag problems that led to reported injuries and deaths, a critical safety concern that puts this vehicle at the top of our avoid list. Consumer Reports has consistently reflected these reliability challenges, listing the Compass among the 10 least reliable models for 2021. The persistence of problems across multiple generations and years, including transmission failures, electrical issues, engine stalling, and water leaks, makes the Jeep Compass our pick for the least reliable SUV of all time. The 4 most reliable SUVs. Now let's shift gears and look at the SUVs that define reliability. SUVs mechanics rarely see in their shops except for routine maintenance. Number 4, Subaru Forester. Coming in at number 4 on our most reliable list is the Subaru Forester. This compact SUV has built a devoted following thanks to its impressive reliability record and outstanding all-weather capability. The Forester's reputation for dependability began early, with the second-generation models from 2003 through 2005 earning excellent reliability scores. The 2008 year model represents another high point as the final year of the second generation, benefiting from refinements made throughout the model cycle with few 2 owner complaints and only 1 recall. Among later generations, the 2016 model stands out for having the lowest number of reported problems, while the 2019 to 2021 models have continued this strong performance. The 2020 model earned perfect scores in predicted reliability and owner satisfaction from Consumer Reports. What makes the Forester so dependable? Subaru's Boxer engine is known for its balance and longevity, while their symmetrical all-wheel drive system delivers exceptional durability. The brand's approach of making incremental updates using proven parts has helped maintain the Forester's reputation as one of the most reliable SUVs on the market. Number 3, Lexus RX. Taking the 3rd spot on our most reliable list is the Lexus RX, a vehicle that has become synonymous with luxury and exceptional dependability. The 2011 year model stands out as particularly reliable, achieving a high J.D. Power score for quality and reliability. The 2015 Lexus RX also earned high reliability ratings with remarkably few complaints, while the 2018 year model offered excellent ride quality, strong reliability scores, and a 5-star overall safety rating from NHTSA. Even in more recent years, the Lexus RX has maintained its strong reliability. The 2021 and 2022 models provide quiet, comfortable rides with excellent dependability. Notably, the 2022 model was the last to feature the V6 engine, widely regarded for its reliability. Several factors contribute to the Lexus RX's exceptional reliability, including high-quality build materials and smooth, durable engines. Lexus has generally adopted a strategy of conservative redesigns and incremental improvements, which has helped maintain the consistent reliability of the RX over the years. If you're enjoying this breakdown of the most and least reliable SUVs, hit the subscribe button now for more automotive insights that could save you thousands on your next vehicle purchase. Number 2, Honda CR-V. Taking our runner-up spot for most reliable SUV is the Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that has set the standard for dependability in its segment. The CR-V's sterling reputation began with its 3rd generation, where the 2008 and 2011 year models received very high reliability ratings from J.D. Power. Many owners report driving these models for over 200,000 miles with minimal issues, the true definition of reliability. The 4th generation continued this excellence, with the 2013 and 2014 models receiving high reliability scores. More recent models have maintained this high standard, with the 2020 model earning a great rating of 84 out of 100 from J.D. Power, while the 2021 and 2022 models have generated very few complaints. What makes the CR-V so consistently reliable? Honda's tradition of high-quality engineering, durable powertrains, and resilient build quality all contribute. Consumer Reports has consistently recognized the Honda CR-V for its reliability, noting that it outperforms competitors in its segment and even topped their list of most reliable vehicles in 2021. Number 1, Toyota RAV4. Taking the crown as the most reliable SUV of all time is the Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has established itself as the gold standard for dependability in the automotive world. The RAV4's reliability began to shine with its 3rd generation, particularly the 2008 and 2010 year models. The 4th generation took reliability to new heights, with the 2013 and 2016 models receiving perfect 5 out of 5 reliability ratings from Consumer Reports. The 2017 and 2018 models continued this remarkable trend. Even in more recent times, the Toyota RAV4 has maintained its strong reliability. The 2022 year model received a 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports, and J.D. Power also awarded it a great quality and reliability score. Toyota's approach of conservative design and making incremental improvements plays a significant role in the RAV4's consistent reliability. This dedication to proven technologies and careful refinement has made the Toyota RAV4 not just the most reliable SUV, but possibly the most dependable vehicle of any type on the road today. So there you have it, our definitive ranking of the least and most reliable SUVs of all time. Whether you're shopping for a new vehicle or maintaining your current one, this information could save you thousands in unexpected repair costs. What's your experience with any of these SUVs? Have you owned one that defied its reliability rating? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for riding along. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to explore our other videos for more off-road and on-road action. Watch my video about the 10 most reliable diesel trucks that last forever.